In this video we are going to solve this question. Question is find the area of a square using C language in which side taken by user. For this question, first we create one variable that name is side and also one variable that name is area. First take input through user, that input store inside variable, and in area variable be store side into side value, then print that area variable, then our question is solved. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 59 code. So my name is Sonu Sagar. So let's start. So move on code block. First create file, empty file, save this file. Before write code, first we need to include header files. That header files include with preprocessor, header file is standard input output dot header file. Here void main function start curly braces. In curly braces first we need declare variable that is side and area. After declare, first print enter side backslash and n for next line. Here first print enter side. After enter the side value, then store them in side variable. For a scan that value using a scanf, enter value is in integer, so here write format specifier %d. It is the format specifier of integer value. So here I store in side variable using ampersand. Our input value store in side variable. Now in area variable we store side multiply by side. Here area of square equal to side multiply by side. So area is equal to side multiply by side. Inside variable store value that comes through user, and here that value repeat 2 times with multiply symbol and store that in area. Now we need to print area variable. Printf using format specifier print area. So this is our complete code. Now save this code and build and run. Here enter side. When we enter side 2, then here show 4. After it here write area of a square is. Now save this and rebuild. Enter side 5, area of a square is 25. This is our complete code of find area of a square using C language in which side taken by user. Thanks for watching this video.